Welcome to the course value stream mapping. I'm Jay, and I'll be guiding you through the course content, and I'm super excited to be part of your lean journey. Throughout this course, you'll hear me refer to value stream mapping as VSM, which is a powerful tool used to understand and improve how work flows through a process. Value stream mapping is one of the most practical and impactful tools in a lean enterprise. It gives us the ability to see the entire process from start to finish, and more importantly, identify where waste, delays, and inefficiencies exist. Before we jump into the content, I recommend downloading and printing the course guide. It's designed to help you capture key ideas and serve as a reference as you begin applying VSM in your own workplace. Next, we'll take a look at the learning objectives and overall course structure. All right, let's walk through the learning objectives for this course. After completing this course, you will be able to understand different types of process maps and when to use them. This is important because not all mapping tools serve the same purpose, and knowing when to use each one is critical to solving the right problem. Map current state processes in manufacturing and office settings. This means you'll be able to go into a real process and accurately document how work actually gets done, not how we think it works. Identify waste and bottlenecks using visual tools. One of the biggest advantages of VSM is that it makes problems visible, allowing teams to clearly see constraints and inefficiencies. Design future state processes with improved flow. This is where we move from analysis to action. We can create a better process that eliminates waste and improves performance. And finally, facilitate team-based mapping and improvement events. Because VSM is not an individual activity, it requires collaboration across functional areas to be successful. As you move through the course, keep these objectives in mind. The goal isn't just to learn the tool, it's to develop a new way of seeing your processes. Now let's take a look at the course outline so you know exactly where we're headed. We'll start with the introduction, value stream mapping basics. This section will establish the foundation by defining key concepts like process, value stream, and the purpose of mapping. Next is Module 1, high-level process mapping. Here, we'll cover foundational tools like SIPOC diagrams, flowcharts, and process maps that help us understand a process at a high level. Then we move into Module 2, value stream mapping. This is where we take a deep dive into VSM, learning how to build a current state map and capture the data that drives improvement. After that, we'll cover Module 3, designing the future state map. This is where we identify waste, determine root causes, and design a future process with better flow and performance. And finally, we'll wrap everything up in the conclusion. This section brings the entire process together and shows how VSM drives real measurable results in an organization. Each module is designed to build on the previous one, so by the end of the course, you'll have a complete, structured approach to analyzing and improving any process. Let's get started with the introduction. I'll see you there.